Okay, so now let's actually try and get some insight from this. So one good trick is to tell it that, look, this represents, this column is not just a number, but a date. And then it knows it. So one thing my doctor said was to keep an eye on sugar and carbohydrates. So I'm going to graph those. Okay, it's pretty cool now. I guess because it knows it's a day, you can zoom to different resolutions and then look around. Wow, who knew? I mean, I knew because I'm the teacher and I know stuff. But if you look at the red line, sugar just stays there. It says carbohydrates, 289,000 milligrams, sugars in grams. Okay, that's the problem. So you see how these numbers are enormous here. These are reasonable. That's because sugar is measured in grams, carbohydrate in milligrams. There's 1,000 milligrams in a gram, so what I'll do is make carbohydrates in grams here, and I'll set it equal to this column divided by 1,000, because that's how you go from milligrams to grams. Just drag this guy down. So, and now I'll use this column instead of that other crazy one. And now they should look comparable. Let's use this kind of chart. WTF, mate. The order you click might matter. Yes, it does. Okay. So now we have this really cool chart that seems to show as one goes up, the other goes up, which makes sense because carbohydrates, sugars are a type of carbohydrate. So let's insert that guy and put it. Can we move him? I don't know. Can we put it on the blog? I guess you already know because it's either on the blog or not. Anyway, that's how I made that chart.